We begin tonight with breaking news and the staggering new numbers as we come on the air. The coronavirus nearing 20 million cases worldwide, 25% right here in America. And all of this as one of the largest public gatherings since the start of this pandemic gets underway in South Dakota. The U.S. with nearly 5 million cases now, more than 162,000 American lives lost to the virus. The annual biker rally rolling into Sturgis this weekend, 250,000 people with no masks required. The mayor saying we cannot stop people from coming. Florida remains a national hotspot for the virus, more than 8,200 new cases in 24 hours. 44 hospitals without available ICU beds. ABC's Trevor Ault in Sturgis tonight to lead us off.
Tonight, as health officials worry about super spreader events and a lack of social distancing, the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally is at full throttle in South Dakota. An estimated 250,000 bikers with almost no masks in sight in what health officials warn could lead to significant viral spread.
No, we didn't take any precautions, as we normally don't.
Defenders of this rally acknowledge the numbers sound alarming, but they insist the difference is that they have space. They say the thousands of bikers are spread out in the open air on campgrounds that stretch for miles across the Black Hills.
It's all been very well spaced out, every place that we've been.
The Buffalo Chip Campground hosting campers and concerts all week. Owner Rod Woodruff says they've brought in hand sanitizer and are handing out masks, but nobody will be forced to wear one.
This is a celebration of freedom out here is what it is, and so for us to be bossing people around would be the antithesis of why we're here.
The rally pushing forward as across the country the daily death count is now rising in 26 states, Washington, D.C. and Puerto Rico, with hospitalizations rising in 27.
They woke up with just awful, horrible, no good body pain, just the worst ever.
Kathleen Keene says she contracted the virus at a Minnesota funeral, even though she wore a mask and gave only one person a hug. She's one of nearly 30 infections stemming from that single gathering.
You drop your guard when you are mourning. You don't realize that you're putting yourself in that danger.
In New Hampshire, state health officials have identified 16 positive cases connected to events at Crossing Life Church. Services there are now being streamed online as members quarantine.
We don't want this virus to spread, and we're willing to pay a cost if that's what we have to do, which means more time away as a church family.
But drawing more concern in Texas, a packed indoor arena at the Southwest Believers Convention led by televangelist Kenneth Copeland.
COVID-19! COVID-19! I blow the wind of God! The wind of God! On you.
While masks are required inside, live stream video shows hardly anyone wearing them, and executive orders from Governor Greg Abbott prevent local authorities from intervening.
We have no authority whatsoever when it comes to a religious event.
And Trevor Ault joins us now from Sturgis at that massive motorcycle rally. And Trevor, even if people at the rally aren't afraid of the virus, local hospitals are taking precautions?
Yeah, Tom, local health system Monument Health is reportedly taking big steps. They've canceled most elective surgeries. They have backup surgeons and physicians on call. But those are also steps they might typically take during the rally. Last year, they had 470 emergency room visits, and that was without the threat of COVID-19. Tom?
We can see and hear that rally behind you. All right, Trevor, thank you for that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.